Good morning dear students. In this video we are going to see the three process: transcription, translation and translocation. Okay? We will start with very basic things so that you will come to know about each and every process in this. Okay? So as you can see, I have drawn a cells diagram here. Cells without organelles. Okay, cells without organelles, inside the cell many organelles are present. Here I have drawn a very important organelles which is called nucleus. This is a nucleus. Okay, you know that inside the nucleus DNA is present. Okay, inside the DNA gene is present, so ultimately gene is responsible for the hereditary characters, correct, and the lesson's name is also the heredity and evolution. So we are going to see the process. First you should know the key words for this, key points for this entire process. How you will learn this? See, this is a DNA, this is a DNA. Okay, there is some requirement of DNA cannot come out of the nucleus. That's why they send a coded message through the messenger RNA. They send a coded message through messenger RNA. Okay, this process, that means this process, what is that process? The process to synthesize mRNA with the help of DNA nucleic acid or nucleotides, uh, with the help of RNA polymerase. This is called transcription. This process is called transcription. So when the DNA synthesize mRNA, this process is called transcription. And when the RNA bring that message, that coded message out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm to form a polypeptide proteins, or to form a polypeptide chain or polypeptide bond, actually is called the process of translation. Okay, so from DNA to messenger RNA is called transcription. From messenger RNA to protein is called translation. Okay, so the synthesis of messenger RNA are occurs or are taken place inside the nucleus. Okay, the messenger RNA is synthesized inside the nucleus. Then it brings a coded message for transfer RNA outside of the nucleus. So the process of uh, forming polypeptide bond is outside of the nucleus. It taken place in the cytoplasm. Okay, in the cytoplasm. Okay, the entire process of this DNA to mRNA messenger RNA, from messenger RNA to protein, is called central dogma. Now we are going to see in detail how the transcription is taken place actually. Okay, so keep this in your mind, the keyword: from DNA synthesize messenger RNA, this is called a transcription, and transcription, and from the messenger RNA to the protein is called a translation. Okay, now we are going to see the transcription process. So actually transcription has a three step. What is the transcription? To synthesize messenger RNA from DNA with the help of RNA polymerase. This is the transcription. Okay, now in this transcription takes a three step. The first step is initiation. Second step is elongation. And third step of transcription is termination. Okay, so in the transcription three steps are there: initiation, elongation and transcription. Now we will see one by one. Okay, so I am here going to draw the DNA strand, double helix DNA strand, okay, which is the model which is given by Watson and the Watson and Crick models. Okay, you have seen that 3 primes to 5 primes, 5 primes to 3 primes, yes or not, in the DNA? Yes. So they are anti-parallel to each other. 3 prime to 5 prime is a template, and 5 prime to 3 prime is a coding, okay. This is a coding, okay. Now see here, this is the DNA which has a two important part. One is called promoter, one is called terminator. Okay. In the initiation, what will happen in the initiation? As I said, with the help of RNA polymerase. So in initiation step, the RNA polymerase very close to the promoter cover the part of DNA. Now see, अभी ये RNA polymerase जो है उसने क्या किया है, DNA के पार्ट को कवर कर लिया है, ठीक है. DNA अंदर से क्या हो गया, DNA यहाँ पे अंदर से वो DNA क्या हो गया, अनकॉइल्ड. क्यों अनकॉइल्ड हो गया? क्योंकि RNA पोलीमरेज ने उसको कवर कर लिया है, ओके. तो इतना पार्ट क्या हो गया, वो अनट्विस्टेड और अनकॉइल्ड. समझ में आया? तो वी हैव सीन दैट कि every DNA strand has a nucleotide, has a nitrogenous base like A, T, C, G. What is this? This is the nitrogenous bases, base pairs G, C. Between two DNA strands, there is a hydrogen bond. Okay. Because of uncoiled or untwisted structure inside the DNA, the bond is broken now. Yeah. तो यहाँ पे bond जो है वो already टूट चुका है. क्यों? क्योंकि DNA हो गया है untwisted और uncoiled. ओके. तो यहाँ पे हो गया है DNA uncoiled. मैं ऐसे एक और लिख रही हूँ. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये धीरे धीरे यहाँ पे एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड बेस पेयर्स अलग अलग से पेयर होते जाएंगे. ये ऑलरेडी यहाँ से हट चुका है क्योंकि ये बॉन्ड टूट चुका है. तो यहाँ पे अलग एक ही न्यूक्लियस में बहुत सारे प्रोब्स होते हैं, तो अलग बॉन्ड से ये जुड़ जाता है, ठीक है. C, A, ये अलग बॉन्ड्स. और ये धीरे धीरे कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये हो गया इलोंगेशन में. ये तो हम लोगों ने देखा इनिशिएशन में पॉलीमर क्या होता है, इनिशिएशन में कवर करता है, ठीक है. और इलोंगेशन में क्या होता है, ये अनट्विस्टेड हो जाता है और वहाँ पे दूसरे बॉन्ड्स शुरू होने लगते हैं, ठीक है. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे ये प्रमोटर्स की तरफ से कहाँ मूव करेगा, टर्मिनेटर की तरफ. और फाइनली एक मैसेंजर आरएनए का स्ट्रैंड निकलेगा. यहाँ से निकलेगा विच इज़ 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम, ठीक है. नाउ ये एक मैसेंजर आरएनए का स्ट्रैंड है विच हैज़ अ टू पार्ट्स, ओके. इन दिस, okay, this black part is called introns, okay, introns. And this part is called coding. Code, okay, or we can say coding part, okay. So what we need in this is the only exon. This is called intron and this is called exon. Exon is a coding, okay. Introns is non-coding. We don't need this introns, we don't need this. All what we want is a exon, okay. Now we have to remove these introns from this 5 prime to 3 prime strand. So with the help of spliceosome, we will remove introns. We will remove introns. Now we will get one messenger RNA strand which is pure, that means there is no any non-coding part in this. Okay, so in the transcription we have three steps: initiation, elongation, termination. Okay, in the initiation part, the RNA polymer chain come and stick to the DNA strand. Okay, it covers and block. In elongation, the inside the RNA polymerase DNA strand get uncoiled or untwisted. Okay, in the and slowly they move from promoter to terminator. From the terminator, there is a one strand comes out with introns and exons. Introns is a non-coding part which we don't need. Okay, and exon is a coding part which we need it. Okay, now we have to remove the intron parts with the help of spliceosome. Spliceosome meanings remove the introns. Okay, this spliceosome is made by RNA plus proteins. Okay, so this process is called transcription. Now we got here pure messenger RNA with 5' to 3'. This process is called transcription. Now we are going to see the process of translation and translocation. Okay, see, now we are going to see the translation and translocation. Now we got one pure messenger RNA strand, right? We got pure messenger RNA strand with nitrogenous base. You know